Hello everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, comment nous how is everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how I did some twists on my super short hair, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about why I ended my second lock journey. In this video I had cut my hair maybe a few weeks before recording this video, so it's still pretty short, but I wanted to do a bun type of style, so I'm gonna put some chunky twists in it with some kinky hair. I've already parted it out and separated the parts with rubber bands because my hair is so short that it's best to just keep rubber bands in there, and I'm also gonna use the rubber bands when I am putting these twists in. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did it. Most of the styles I've seen with braids or twists on short hair, people use the latch hook to put it in, but I will not be using a latch hook because that hurts, and I am tender-headed, and when you have the rubber bands like tight to your scalp, it doesn't feel good to have the latch hook go through, for me anyway. So this is how I'm going to do it. So first I'm going to take the kinky hair through the rubber band and make sure it's right at the halfway point of the hair. And I'm going to take it and wrap it around my hair that is in the rubber band, kind of like doing a faux lock, but not really. So I'm wrapping it around 3 to 4 times until the length of my hair is covered by the kinky hair through wrapping. And then I'm going to go in and start doing my twists. And of course, if you're not familiar with twisting or doing twists, you have to twist both sections of the hair while you're twisting to get a defined twist. So that's basically what I'm doing right here in normal speed. And here's another look at me doing another one. And for parting my hair, of course I can't see the back of my head, so I use the mirrors in my bathroom. Like, I have my mirrors are adjacent, so I can look at the back of my head through the other mirror. And there's also the side mirror where the medicine cabinet is. I kind of angle that so I can see the back of my head and be able to part it that way. So the parts aren't perfect, but I really didn't want them to be perfect anyway because I didn't leave the style in very long. All right, so now why I ended a lock journey number 2. It's no big deal. There's no real reason why. I just wanted to have short hair again. Lock journey number 2 really was going very well. I actually made it to about 6 months and they were looking really good. However, like I said, I just wanted short hair again. I didn't want to commit to growing my hair long because once you are growing locks, inevitably, if you take care of your hair and it's healthy, it's gonna grow long. So I didn't want to commit to growing my hair long at that point, and definitely not in locks. And I even had updates that I never posted on YouTube because I didn't want um to kind of lead you guys on, like, hey, look at my updates or whatever, and then I cut them. So I just never posted them because I knew I wanted to cut them, and I did that. And a lot of you mentioned in my most recent videos that you didn't know that I cut my hair. And that is true because I did not post anything. I didn't post a video on cutting my hair, but I did um, post on social media on my Instagram, Dxlynlocs, and I did post on my YouTube stories about it. But I did not make a video announcing it, and that was a conscious decision. I didn't want to announce anything that I do with my hair because I feel like that gives people the feeling that they can, tell me what to do with my hair. And that's crazy. I see this a lot on YouTube. People telling people what to do with their hair, getting mad at someone choosing to do something with their hair. It's crazy. It's ludicrous. So I just did not post an announcement, and moving forward in the future, I will not announce anything that I do with my hair. I'll just do it. And if I feel like posting it, I will post it. Naturally, this is a hair channel, and this channel started with me documenting a lock journey. So whenever I do start my next lock journey, naturally I will be posting about it on this channel from start to finish or start to wherever I am. But as far as anything outside of locks that I choose to do with my hair, I will not be announcing it. That doesn't mean I won't be posting about it, but I will not announce it like, hey, oh my God, look what I did. I won't be doing that. Because to me, it's not that big of a deal. And I feel like when I announce something, it gives off the idea that it is a big deal, and it's really not. Like most of you guys who meet me on YouTube, especially my newer subscribers, you might not know a little bit of my personality, but I try to give a little bit of my personality on this channel and my vlog channel. I am a laissez-faire type of person. I don't sit there and worry about things like hair. I don't let it dictate what I'm going to do. I've actually been doing hair since I was a little girl, so changing my hair every 2 weeks was something super, super normal for me. That's something that was my life, changing my hair. So having locks for 7 years was really a commitment, and it was a really easy commitment for me because hair does not define me, and that's my personal views, my personal life. Hair does not define me, so as you guys can go back through this channel and see how I was able to still maintain my creativity with having locks. So locks did not hinder me from being creative, and locks actually caused me to be even more creative than I already was. Um, so yeah, so it's not there's no big rhyme or reason to it. I just wanted short hair again, and actually after this video, I cut my hair even lower, and then I put braids in it, and I cut it even lower. And right now I have braids in, and I have my sides shaved, and I think I'm going to keep the shave sides for a little while. All right, and that is the finished product. I did not do my entire head because I have a small head and I didn't want it to be really bulky. I just wanted to do a bun style, and I left it in for about a week and a half before I got tired of it. But yeah, I just did pretty much most of the front, the back, and the sides, but I did not do the middle. I did just enough um, to cover the rest of my parts. It wasn't heavy, it wasn't tight, but I feel like if I did my entire head, it would have been a little uncomfortable just because of the bulkiness. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos of my hair. I didn't want to do any videos of my hair until I locked up again, but honestly, this channel started with me showing you guys my hair, so I figured why change. So I'll be showing you guys a lot of what I do with my hair in between um, waiting to start locks again when I feel the need or the want to start locks again. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.